Slowly move your right leg forward. Jump 5 forward. Drop your left knee down. Right leg straight and jump 5. Drop the palms. Inhale, look forward. Straight up. Breathe. Up. Okay. Exhale the feet in. Stay. Inhale down and head up. Stay there. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Slide the leg forward. Monsoon. Kancham. 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 Slowly slide it. Hands on a block. Okay, slide the leg more. Breathe, keep pushing down. So active the feet in, bring it down. Okay, turn the hips, make your chest open, look up. Very good. Stay here, breathe, focus. Chest open, middle and look up. Adjust the body, turn your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The same way, slowly move forward. Drop the hands on the floor. Keep your body in the same line. Move down, breathe. That's it. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inhale, come back. Press the palms, lift the body up. Exhale, downward facing dog again. Do the same thing on opposite side. Left leg forward, chai forward. Drop your right knee down, leg straight, look forward. Stay here first. Make your leg straight. Ning tham. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inhale, head up, stomach in, slide the leg. Exhale, slowly keep pushing down. Adjust. Okay, turn the hips from here, turn your thighs, make your chest open, feet up, look up, stay, maintain, chest open more, breathe in and out. 1, very good, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Exhale, move down, forward fold. Drop the elbows down. Push the body, stay, maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release your leg. Come to the knees, chariot pose. Relax.